Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to get sound from your MSI monitor and nothing's coming through, don't worry, this is a very common situation. Most MSI monitors do not have built-in speakers, which means audio won't play unless you set things up correctly or use external speakers or headphones. First, make sure your monitor is connected to your PC using HDMI or DisplayPort, since these cables can carry audio as well as video. Next, on your computer, right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and open Sound Settings. Under Output Devices, select your MSI monitor as the default audio output. After that, open your monitor's on-screen display menu using the buttons on the back and check the audio section. Make sure the volume is turned up and not muted. Even if your monitor supports audio pass-through, the sound quality is usually basic, so using external speakers or headphones is strongly recommended. If there's still no sound, update your audio and graphics drivers, as outdated drivers are one of the most common causes of audio issues. Also, make sure Windows is fully updated. To isolate the problem, test your monitor with another device like a laptop or console. Finally, double-check browser volume settings and remember that 2-ring audio jacks are output only, while 3-ring jacks include a microphone, and using the wrong one can cause sound problems.